So I did a thing. I went ahead on March 12th and planted that okra. It is in the ground, guys. It is in the high tonal, like I said, and we did not create the low tonals because it really does look like we're gonna be, I'm scared to say, safe. It looks like we're gonna be okay with the weather, but we just went ahead and planted it, and I did plant it kind of close together. Let me show you just real quick what we have done and kind of why we did it the way we did it. Alright, so this starts our Clemson spineless area. Go ahead, Brian. Get what you need. Oh my gosh, that's an okra on that one. That's crazy. It's so small, I want to pull that off. But yeah, this is the Clemson spineless area. I think we planted about 8 of each, and they should have been planted about 10 to 12 inches apart, but there's some areas where we definitely got a little closer, and that's fine because there's not really anything else on this row that is going to compete too much right now anyway, so they'll be able to get up to good safe size. And what we do have that's already planted here is just some leeks that we started from seed, and they really didn't do a lot. They just kind of blah. And now all of a sudden they're starting to shoot up. I think they maybe needed more daylight, so I left the ones that were pretty well established in place, and you can see they're kind of all along the row sporadically. But we had planted this entire row, both sides with them, but as you can see, the germination was not that great. And I do believe that leeks are something that a lot of people will start in cell trays and then, you know, set them out. But I just decided to try something different, and now I know for the future. So it's done. And today is March 19th. We are one day away from the first day of spring. Yay! But there's no freezing temperatures. There's only 130s that I can see on the forecast for the next 10 to 15 days, and it's going to be tomorrow night. So I'll close up the high tonal just to be on the safe side. Everything in here should be fine, but you know, it is what it is. Not only did we plant our okra, but we have if you've seen any of our other videos, we've also planted peppers, but in addition to that, we've also planted tomatoes along this area here. We amended that soil some, and then with some black cow compost, and then got those tomatoes in. The majority of those tomatoes are our cherry tomatoes and our paste tomatoes. Let me zoom in just a little bit for you. In addition to that, we went ahead and sowed on, which should have been on the opposite side of the drip tape, but some migrated, as you can see, on the other side of the dill as well. And so we'll have dill and tomatoes growing together. In between each tomato plant, we did do a bush bean variety. I can't remember. I think it's Provider, but I can see some of them didn't get buried very well. You can see right there. So I may need to go back and just double check my work on that. But yeah, so things are moving along here in the high tonal, and I'm really excited just to see what the season is going to bring us. Oh, and here's one little section here that's a little off. Let me zoom out. This little section between this post and this post where you see these peas are at, I'm probably going to go ahead and pull those today and get some cucumbers in. Wait, no, I need to amend this area first. So I need to amend this area first after pulling these peas, and then this is going to be just one of the sections that we do for our cucumbers. So the row back there behind, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put there. That entire road needs heavily amending. It's been more of a walkway for the last couple of years. We haven't really had anything growing there. Oh wait, no, we did do some Swiss chard there, but you know, Swiss chard is so hardy, it'll grow just about anywhere the seed will germinate. So the high tunnel, it's just looking a little messy, but also good at the same time. And I'm, again, excited, freaking out. I'm all over the place with my emotions because look at all these plants. And there's so many plants in Teeny as well that still need to find a home. We do have some of those that have been reserved for customers that, you know, they just want us to hold on to them until the danger of frost had passed, which I totally understand. So we've holding on to those until probably the end of next week ish, somewhere in there, and then they'll get those, and then, you know, that's it. So y'all, we're moving. We are moving and grooving around here. Thanks for checking back with us for this little update on our okra. And the watermelon that was in that tray is still in the tray. Like, we haven't done anything with it yet because I'm tossing around a few ideas about how to grow the watermelon in the high tunnel but have it vine outside. So I know it sounds crazy, but it may or may not work. It's either going to work or it's not. It is what it is. So when I decide to do that, I'm probably going to record it for data purposes, and hopefully it'll be a quality enough video to be able to share some with you. So stay tuned for that experiment. Make sure you subscribe, come back and check out more of our content, and also make sure you share it, okay? Catch you in the next video.